Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually ping a specific website or ping a device that is not reachable. But the pinging is not the issue, but we want to actually ping indefinitely to get a very good result. For example, to see how many bytes we have been received, to see how long does it take that the time to leave before that ping is being dropped. If, for example, I try to ping the website of Google.com, you can see you can see the time to leave is about 19 milliseconds, and the time to leave is about 128. But if I decided right now to actually do the following, and I decide to ping with T, I can actually ping indefinitely. But at the same time, if for example you've been asked by someone or by your manager, or you are working as an IT administrator, you've been asked to actually give this result, not just ping, but send this result to someone for them to actually analyze and see where the problem is coming from. So we're going to actually do the following. So I want to not only ping this ping Google website, but I want to actually save this ping to a test file. So I'm going to actually enter the following. So I'm going to save it to the following location, to a temp folder, and there we're going to actually just create a ping. Let me just do txt. So I'm going to actually save it to this temp folder location. At this moment, you can see this is actually empty. So what I'm going to do right now, if I hit enter, let me just hit enter. You can see at this moment I'm not seeing anything, but if I go back again to this folder, you can see a ping file had just been created. At this moment it said 0 kilobytes, but if I do a refresh, let me do a refresh. Okay, let's try to see. And at the moment, you can see at the moment, okay, it's trying to actually gather some information. So you can see that you can see the time keeps changing. And if I go again, I do a refresh, you can see it keeps increasing. So this is actually going to be indefinitely till you decided to actually stop the pinging yourself, and then you can actually send this file to the person that asked you to create a file. So what we can actually do right now is I can actually do the following. Go back again to my command prompt, enter Ctrl+C on my keyboard to actually stop the pinging, and if I go back again to my test file, and you can see we have a very good result of all the pinging that has taken place. You can see the ping statistics. It says sent 44, received 44, lost was 0, and you can see the percentage of loss is also 0. So it gives me an approximate round trip. You can see it says minimum is 40 milliseconds, the maximum is 40 milliseconds, and the average time. So this is how you actually ping a website or a device indefinitely, by trying to actually get to see where the ping drop, or where there's an issue you're trying to ping that website. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Bye.